There is growing fallout from something former President Trump said during the debate, pushing a baseless claim about Haitian immigrants in Ohio. Today in the city, at the center of it all, a rash of bomb threats. Our Yamiche El-Sindor is there. Yamiche, good evening.
Good evening. That's right. Today here in Springfield, bomb threats led authorities to evacuate City Hall and a number of other buildings, including an elementary school. Officials say they are working with the FBI to investigate. It's not clear who made the threats or whether they were connected to the baseless claims about Haitian immigrants abusing pets. White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre called the unfounded allegations, quote, very bizarre and very hateful smear. Meanwhile, some residents were so concerned with the tension that they kept their children home from school. Lester?
Residents of Springfield, Ohio are on edge following bomb threats directed towards multiple schools, agencies, and media outlets this week. The threats follow comments made by former President Trump about Springfield during Tuesday's debate.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there.
Trump falsely claimed without any evidence that Haitian immigrants are eating pets, even though the claims have been debunked by multiple government officials. Friday, while at a rally in Vegas, the former president pressing on with conspiracy theories that are widely believed to have instigated havoc in the city.
And I'm angry about illegal Haitian migrants taking over Springfield, Ohio. You see that mess, don't you?
Springfield's mayor agreed that the city is experiencing an uptick of new residents, with over 10,000 Haitian immigrants now here legally under temporary protected status. But he says they need help, not hate.
Anybody on the national stage that takes a microphone needs to understand what they could do to communities like Springfield with their words.
Johnny Fernandez, ABC News, New York.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC 7 Chicago Eyewitness News.